The modern ute is usually like a piece of artwork in that every owner creates something unique from a blank canvas. This can often include lots of aftermarket parts and accessories that can add weight to the vehicle. One of the downsides to this is decreased braking performance simply because the vehicle is heavier. In other words, the standard brakes no longer cut the mustard. We're going to do some back-to-back testing to show how Bendix's new Ultimate 4-Wheel Drive Brake Upgrade Kit can truly alter your 4-wheel drive's braking ability compared with a standard setup. We'll do 3 runs at our test track for each.
Bendix's new brake upgrade package comes with 2 Ultimate rotors, a set of Bendix front brakes, braided brake lines for improved pedal feel, brake fluid, brake cleaner, lubricant and more, all in a neat heavy-duty touring case. Let's get the test underway. We'll run the factory setup to start with. This will give us a benchmark and show us what most loaded up 4-wheel drive utes running the OEM braking setup can expect with lots of heavy accessories fitted up. Okay, that's the first one done. 2 more times. Oh yeah, I can feel the pedal getting really soft and tired there. Look, we've stopped way past the first run. 1 more time. All right, this is the last test with the OEM brakes. Oh yeah, that's terrible. After 3 goes, the brakes really are feeling like they're not up to the task. Let's test our other Ford Ranger out with the Bendix brake package fitted and see if there's much of a difference. All right, here we are with the 3rd run in the Bendix Ultimates. Oh wow, what a difference. Almost 5 meters, that's huge. That's a whole car length. That could be the difference between running into the back of another car in an emergency situation. The braided lines dramatically help improve feel. The new pads and rotors remain fade-free even after repeated stops. Bendix Ultimate 4-Wheel Drive Brake Upgrade Kit is a real solution for modern 4-wheel drive utes that could save your life, all contained within a special heavy-duty box for your convenience. If you think your brakes aren't up to the job, get in contact with your local stockist or repairer to fit this brake upgrade kit.
Bendix, put your foot down with confidence.